Okay, so this is the first gimbal test. Let's see what happens. We're walking Fall Creek. I'm trying to change the pan on the camera, but I'm changing the focus, so I have to push something. I don't remember what. There we go. Got to push the crosshairs thing. Oh, so far so good. So if the camera looks a little crooked, I'm going to try to straighten it. There we go. There we go. Up. I did a double click and it definitely changed things. Let's see if I can back off. That's bringing it in. Oh, this is just dandy. I don't know if I want to follow it the way it's following. Let me. Okay, I double clicked. Not sure it's going where I want it to go. Let me hold the front trigger down. See what that does. See, when I go straight up and down, you can see the end of the gimbal. If I lean it forward, you don't. All right, let's commence with the walk. We'll see how buttery smooth the walking is. I'm just not sure what setting it's on. If it's on like the follow setting. I feel like it's kind of free floating, which is what I want. Because if I'm on the street and I see stuff happening, I want to basically take the gaze to it. Like if stuff's going on to the left, I want to move to the left. Stuff going on to the right, I want to move to the right. And that seems to do it. I guess buttery smooth means a little slow. I'm not sure the camera is exactly balanced right in this device either. We'll see how that comes out. I might F with it right now, just a smidge. See, I'm moving it around in its bracket, and I don't know what that means. Bring it into view, bring it out the view. I'm liking this. Like and no forest double entendre intended, but I'm liking it. I'll shut up and we'll walk for a few minutes. This is the spot that I like to run uphill on. I'm not sure why it just changed direction. And a double click. I don't know why it did that on its own. It went to vertical framing. It's like everything's just broken down. Let me double click things in the back. I'm gonna turn it manually. Uh-oh, it's looking at me. Go away. Interesting. Or whatever you call that. Not what was intended. turned off the trail because there's a person and it made the gimbal go crazy. I wonder what this will look like.